I'm Marcelo, and welcome back to Mini Maker Studio.
Smash that like button and subscribe. My hermit.
Today we will be showing you how to make Pom Poms. Cardboard version versus plastic version. You can get the plastic versions in all sorts of sizes online.
Hey guys, it's Peter and I'm going to be showing you how to make the Pom Pom with the store-bought Pom Pom maker. The materials you will need are yarn, some sharp scissors, and the store-bought Pom Pom maker. The first step you will do is open the Pom Pom makers, just like so. Then connect them. They will not click together. You will just hold them. The second step you will do is wrap your yarn around the Pom Pom maker until it's big and bulky. Now that you're done with wrapping this side, you're going to wrap it underneath the other side and then go over and then keep wrapping. Step 4. Now that you've wrapped both sides, you're going to close it up and then clamp it just like so. I'm having a little bit of difficulties. Now that you're done cutting all the strings on the Pom Pom, you're going to cut a 20-inch string of yarn. And where this line is, you're going to put the yarn right through there, make it even,
And you're going to tie it whichever way you want.
we tie it like this. Just regular. Make sure it's super tight. And then you're going to go around the side and then do it again. Then you're going to cut these strings. Then you're going to unclip these, take them off, and trim.
Hey guys, it's Marcelo, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make the Pom Pom homemade style. So, the materials you will need are some yarn, some cardboard. It doesn't have to be this big, but probably preferably thick. And then you're going to need some round type of object to trace onto here. You're going to need scissors. I use two. One sharper one and one for cutting cardboard. So the first thing you are going to do is you're going to take your cardboard and take your round object and some type of marker. I have markers here. We're going to use this one. And you're going to take whatever you have and you're going to trace 2 circles. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, now that you've done that, you're going to, only in one of the circles, you're going to make a smaller circle in the middle. So kind of like a donut shape. So just in one of the circles, and then you're going to make 2 V's like this, about there. Okay, so now you're going to cut this circle out. Okay, now that you've cut this one out. Okay. Now that you've cut the first one out, you're going to place it over the next one, line it up, and then you're going to take your marker, or whatever you have, and you're going to trace the outline of that key shape so that it matches it exactly. It's not perfect, but it's close enough. So then you're going to cut this one out. Okay, now that we have these cut, you're going to grab your yarn, this yarn of ours, and you're going to start wrapping it around these. So you're going to put these two together, make sure they're lined up correctly. And what I like to do is I like to take the yarn first, and I like to stick it right there, and then put this one on top so that clamps it in. And what you're going to do is you're going to wrap all, you're going to wrap like this, all from this, from this one, all the way over here. So all this section, kind of like a U shape, kind of. So you're going to wrap all that section until it's nice and bulky. Okay, so that looks good now. That looks like enough wrapping. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut about there. And then I'm just going to tuck this in between the two parts right there. And then we're going to stick your scissors between those two parts. And you're going to start cutting all the way around that whole part. Okay, now that we're done cutting it, you're going to hold these down. So make sure they don't come out the triangle part that you cut. And you're going to put them down. And then you're going to cut a piece. It doesn't really matter how long. It just needs to be kind of long. Like that looks good. And then what I'm going to do is, you see the two ridges where you put them together? You're going to open that up. And you're going to stick the string through the two pieces of cardboard around all of the little strings that you cut. And you're going to tie it like so. I like to do, and it has to be really, really tight. I like to do a few, like 3. We'll do 3. And then I'm gonna do a few touch-ups. Okay, I did a few touch-ups and it's time to take it out. Okay, it looks pretty good. It just needs some trimming. But, okay, after some trimming, this is what it looks like. It actually turned out pretty fluffy and good. So, thank you guys for watching my part of the video. So now we're gonna go test to see who's better. Okay guys, it's time for the comparison. So, first test is the fluff test. So,
Mine's probably better at the fluff test.
yeah, Peter's is fluffier because mine's not that fluffy. And then next, we have the softness test.
Mine.
Yeah, Peter's is softer. Then we have the easy hard test. So, I think mine was easier because you don't have to buy anything. You kind of just use cardboard and stuff. And,
well, technically,
it's kind of easier. But actually, I feel like Peter's was also easier, so we kind of tied on that one.
So.
And then for cheapness test, mine obviously,
Yeah.
because Peter's, he has to buy the things, and then we just have to use cardboard. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button
and subscribe.